Yes, the overall crypto market is dumping, but could we expect that Bitcoin is going to bounce off exactly in the support range of $40,300 where we saw the price movement of Bitcoin, so our previous bounce exactly within this level. So are we going to see this dump even lower, or could we expect that we're going to get this bullish breakout from this falling wedge that we have been talking about, because we can clearly see the breakout and even the retest. So could we expect this massive pump all the way to the 61.8 or even the 78.6, the top of the range, or are we going to see this major liquidation and this dump even lower? We're going to look at the charts, the news and the facts to find out what we could expect. So if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and welcome back to B4 Crypto. And yes guys, we can see that the overall market, so quite a dump. So over on the weekly crypto bubbles, we can see the TR is down 20%, SUI 26%, and coins like Arbitrum are down 20%, Injection 15%, Rune 16%, and also Say down 17%. So yes guys, if you've missed all of these coins and these major pumps, now's the opportunity to load up on all of these altcoins, because yes, we're seeing this retracement, this healthy retracement, and we have talked about it in the previous video that this is normal within a bull market. So if you want to trade all of these coins on the spot market, go down in the video description below and sign up to BITFLEX, where you receive a deposit bonus of $10 if you deposit $100. But guys, my favorite exchange is Bybit, where you can receive a deposit bonus up to $30,000. So make use of this free money, and if you want to trade all of these coins on the spot market, these are the exchanges that you can use. So guys, let's go back over to the crypto bubbles, because yes, at the moment you're getting this major discount. And if we go on the previous monthly closes for Bitcoin, yes, we can see that January normally is a quite bearish month, that we can see in the previous 10 years we closed 6 months within the red. So overall this means that January isn't a good month for the crypto market, but we could expect that February is going to be extremely bullish. And yes, at the moment we have the 22nd of January. So only a week left until we're going to get to February, where we could expect this major bullish move. Because yes, on the weekly chart, if we're even going to see this major dump to my worst case scenario being round about the $31,000 level, all the way back down to this trend line, guys, Bitcoin would still be forming a higher low. And this is extremely bullish, and this would give us still the indication that we are in this bullish move. And yes, we could expect some sideways moves, but I expect that overall, if we're going to get this dump or even this bounce exactly from this worst case scenario, that we're going to see a massive move towards the upside. And yes guys, this would mean that we're going to see a major altcoin rally, because Bitcoin will drag up all these altcoins. But overall guys, if we're going to see this bounce within these levels, I could also expect that the overall crypto market is getting a bounce exactly within these levels. So let's go on the 4-hour chart to find out what we could expect in the immediate short term, and do I expect this dump or even this bounce exactly from these levels? Because yes, on the 4-hour chart we can clearly see we have formed this falling wedge that we've been talking about in the previous video, and a falling wedge is a bullish pattern with a breakout target being the top of this formation exactly at the previous highs. So yes guys, ultimately we could expect this major pump towards the upside. Yes, at the moment it doesn't look all too bullish for Bitcoin, because we can see we are ranging within this range and we are forming lower highs. But guys, yes, we could see this possibility that we're going to break this range and come all the way back down to my first price target being this major support box round about the $35,000 level, because clearly round about the levels of $37,800 we can see that Bitcoin has some sideways consolidation, and ultimately we have got this major support which comes all the way back from this major previous bull market support exactly here. So ultimately guys, before we're going to see this massive dump all the way to the 31k, I could expect that yes, Bitcoin is going to see a bounce within this region where the price movement is at the moment, because yes, a lot of people took this short exactly at the top of this range because they expected this dump and the sell the news event after the Bitcoin ETF. And also on the lower time frames, guys, you can see that this has been some easy trades shorting the market exactly here, where we broke this major trend line towards the upside. But first of all guys, I don't like shorting the markets, that's why I didn't take the short, but this would be exactly your entry, the break of this trend line towards the downside. And we could see we had a perfect retest exactly in these levels, where we saw that the price movement came all the way back up to this trend line, and then we saw this rejection once again, leading to the price movement dump all the way back down to the next level. So yes guys, a lot of people entered the short exactly in these levels, where we can see the next trend line broke, we saw this retest and this rejection, so this ultimately would be the shorting areas for all the bears out there. But guys, we should keep in mind that after such a long dump towards the downside from this major push towards the upside, we could expect that yes, here are going to be a lot of liquidation hunts, so a lot of stop losses from all these short positions that opened the short on Bitcoin. So I don't expect that yes, Bitcoin is going to dump all the way back down right away. Yes, maybe we could expect this bounce to liquidate all of these short positions. So this could mean that Bitcoin is going to come all the way back up to the 38.2 to wipe out all these stop loss that are exactly underneath its previous high. Or we could expect that Bitcoin is even going to come as high as the 61.8, because yes, a lot of short positions have been open exactly here and they are maybe at break even now. But ultimately guys, we could also see this fast move towards the upside, coming all the way to the 88.6 to liquidate all these shorts, and then going to see this dump even lower, and then we could expect this move all the way back down to the worst case scenario or even the 35,000 US dollar level. So yes guys, potentially we're going to see this dump all the way back down to this previous support, because yes, Bitcoin had the strong move towards the upside, but this would be extremely important for the market, that we're getting these pumps, consolidation, pump, consolidation, pump, consolidation before we're getting this next major move towards the upside. But guys, keep in mind that we also could expect that Bitcoin is just going to pump from these levels and break the previous high, and we're going to continue with this bullish move, because yes, the overall crypto market is extremely bullish. Yes, we're seeing this dump at the moment, but guys, we're going to look at some spot entries that I posted in my free Telegram group, and if you want to join my free Telegram group, go down in the video description below and sign up to my free Telegram group, where I post a lot of crypto news and also some spot trades. But guys, if you want to trade all of these moves that I'm posting in my Signal group, make sure to join my Signal group, where you get all of these posts. And I posted some spot buys this morning on movr and also Solana, where I could expect that yes, we could expect this accumulation phase for Solana exactly at this very important level, round about the 90 US dollars, because yes, if we're going to get this daily close back above the 50 moving average and also this upward sloping trend, guys, we could expect once we're going to break this downward sloping trend, that we could expect this major move for Solana, maybe all the way up to the levels of 140 US dollars. Yes, this would be a trade of 42 US dollars on the spot market. Make sure to be in my Signal group, where I post all of these spot entries. And yes, we also opened a position on MANTA, because yes, we saw this breakout from this trend line, this downward sloping trend, and we had our entry level exactly here, round about the levels of $2.48. And at the moment we are seeing that MANTA is breaking out even higher, and my price target is round about the $3.30, which is a pump of 32%. So we entered the trade exactly here at the breakout point from this trend line, exactly the break of this major support box. And you can see that I posted this trade in my Signal group exactly here, where we saw this breakout exactly from this trend line, and we could expect a pump of 32% on the spot market without any leverage. So let's go over to the next coin, which is movr. And yes, movr is also ranging within this range round about the levels of $22.80, and I could expect once we're going to break this downward sloping trend, that we could expect breaking the previous highs, which are round about the levels of $40, and we could expect this 100% move with a price target round about the levels of 50 US dollars. So ultimately guys, these dumps towards the downside are a major opportunity to dollar cost average and to get into your favorite coins that you have missed that saw a major pump towards the upside. These are just the accumulation phases. So make use, dollar cost average, be for crypto, smash up the like button and subscribe, and we see each other in the next video.